In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set calendar in Outlook. We'll walk through using Outlook on the web to create your first event and set up a separate calendar so you can keep work, school, and personal plans neatly organized. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook site to open the web version. If you aren't signed in yet, log in with your Microsoft account and complete any verification prompts. Once you land on your Outlook homepage, look to the left side panel and select the calendar icon. This switches you from your inbox to your calendar view. To add an event, click New Event near the top. A panel will open where you can enter all the details. Begin with a clear title so the event is easy to recognize later. Next, confirm the date and start and end times. If you're scheduling across time zones, Outlook will keep things aligned based on your account settings, but it's a good habit to double check the times. If others need to join, use the attendees field to invite them. As you type, Outlook suggests contacts to make it fast. When you add people, Outlook can send them an invite automatically after you save. You can also add a location or enable an online meeting if you use Teams or another service, and choose whether the time shows as busy or free on your calendar. Use the description box to include an agenda, links, or any notes people will need. When everything looks right, select Save. If you've added attendees, you may see a send option, so your invitations go out immediately. If you use multiple calendars, make sure you're saving the event to the correct one by checking the calendar selector within the event window. This keeps work and personal events separated and easy to filter. Now let's create a brand new calendar. In the left panel under your calendar list, click Add Calendar. From the options, choose Create Blank Calendar. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it at a glance. You can also pick a color to differentiate it from your other calendars, which makes your schedule easier to read. When you're done, click Save. Your new calendar will appear in your list and you can toggle it on or off to show or hide those events. You can also select it as the destination when you create future events. That's all you need to set your calendar in Outlook. Create events, invite people, add details, and organize everything with separate calendars. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!